Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and right now we would like to send a huge congratulations and a huge thank you to our franchisee in Fall River, Massachusetts. Her name is Lindsay Pachone, and what she did was spur one of the most innovative and time-saving things that we have ever done here at Nexus. And what it is the ability for clients to now sign up online. Before, our sign-up process was clunky and inefficient. It required the client to send back documents, scan over things. It was totally not us. And Lindsay realized that and helped us create and generate an online sign-up platform. So now clients can punch in their information, put in their tenant's info, attach any documents that are needed, and click submit. And the franchisee will then receive a one-page PDF of that information to automatically sign them up into our software. It's beautiful, it's efficient, and it's teamwork. Here at Nexus, we're not perfect by any means. We're going to continue to grow and field ideas from our franchisees because they're doing the work just like we are, and together we can create better and more efficient systems and platforms. Just think about it, okay? McDonald's with the Egg McMuffin, they did not create that. A franchisee created that in the mid-70s, pitched the idea to the management staff, and eventually it took off, and it's in each and every store in the entire world. Breakfast. Who would have thought? McDonald's and breakfast. But the franchisee did because they saw the demand. Okay? So teamwork makes the dream work. Once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters. Your property managed.